Hello everyone, it is Erin Flutter here, and I am here with a quarterly goal check-in. This doesn't end until the end of September, but honestly, I have not been doing any sort of goals work lately. I have just been a bit fried. I haven't taken time off this year, at least not like a week-long vacation, maybe days here and there, but I'm not taking time off until December, so it's a little rough, but it's okay. So I haven't done any sort of goals check-in. I have done monthly goals in my bullet journal, but overall I haven't checked in to my goals planner. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. It's going to be a very chill, relaxing type of video. I'm just going to kind of go through and address some of this stuff and then go into the next month. And basically what I'm doing is I'm using these 6-month circles. So there's 6 spaces on each, and I have 2 goals for each quarter. So this is, well, for each month of the quarter. So this is month 1, month 2, and month 3. So this is July, this is August. So I did set monthly goals in July, but I did not do a monthly goal review. So I'm not filling that one in August. I did set monthly goals and I am doing a goal review. So that's kind of how it's going to work. Okay, so we have done basically like walking the dog in the morning, but we haven't done like the type of activity that I wanted to be able to do, like maybe going running or something like that. And we haven't done any mini getaways. So, my whole work life has changed. So none of this is going to get done at all this quarter. Except maybe I haven't even done the workflows. So honestly, my whole work life has changed. I changed jobs. I changed, my responsibilities in the organization that I'm in. We have been doing date nights and we have been FaceTiming my family. Family and relationships has probably been the most successful lately of anything that I've been doing, to be honest. We started doing alphabet dates, which is fun. We're on H this weekend. And basically what we're doing is like every other date is someone's responsibility. So I started with A and we went to an arcade. He had B and we went to a baseball game. On C we did cartoons and cereal. So it was basically Saturday morning cartoons. So we did cartoons and cereal. So it doesn't have to be some big elaborate date since we're doing it every single week and we're trying to work through the alphabet. We're trying to do things a little bit smaller. I have been setting my monthly running goals. I have not been achieving them. And I have not been setting PR goals. I basically am changing everything how I'm doing with my wellness planner. I basically no longer go into my wellness planner. I'm trying to go back to consolidating down to one notebook. And I have a plan for 2023, which I will talk about at the end of this video. Prep for Black Friday, I have not done, but the shop is converted at least for has been converted for, not for everything, but for the sticker kits. Everything has been converted to digital. Finances, I am great at logging my business finances. That has been successful. Save $200 monthly. I think I have done that in August. I would have to look, but it's close. I did not do that in July. I figured out why I felt like I was hemorrhaging money, and it's because my taxes were off. Physical environment, we did set up our home gym, which is extremely exciting. It has been, we have saved a lot of money that way. Literally, I saved like $100 a month, which has been absolutely lovely. We have not created outdoor activity spaces. Honestly, it's just been so freaking hot. I'm not into it. And I do want to also add down here, because we have been so into our home gym, like we're kind of adding to it. So I do want to put that as well down in August, and then probably will not be adding anything again. At least not yet. We're trying to save up some money. So those are all of my quarterly goal check-ins. I'm not going to do the quarterly review today because that doesn't make sense. So I do want to talk about 2023 though. Just because I think some folks had asked related to what my plan is for 2023. So I'm getting rid of my business notebook. I'm keeping my goals notebook. I'm getting rid of my health and wellness. And I'm trying to consolidate down into my bullet journal only, except for, of course, my goals, because my goals, of course, are long-term. It's something that I like to look back on previous years, what's currently going on, things like that. So I usually have 2 notebooks per year. So I split it up into 6 months, the first 6 months and the second 6 months of the year. And that has been working pretty well for me. I have been able to live in one notebook for 6 months. And I'm going to continue doing that, but it's going to change a little bit. So I want to show you the 2 notebooks that I'll be using for 2023. So I am using this, this Travel Explore one from Archer and Olive's fall collection. And then I am also using the wand from not this Halloween. I'm not sure if they're bringing back, but last Halloween. They have a little wand one. So what I was thinking, and it may sound crazy to some of you guys, so sorry in advance if it sounds nuts, but I'm basically going to switch back and forth between these notebooks in the year 2023. So January will be in this one. February will be in this one. And why am I doing that? Because one is a white notebook and one is a blackout notebook. So I think I've talked about this before, that being in a blackout notebook for 6 months is a bit too long for me, but I crave having a black notebook and being able to use a black notebook. So what I did is I chose a thicker notebook for this one because I am trying to include so much more of my health and wellness and business and all that kind of stuff in my regular bullet journal. And then I'm going to go back and forth between the 2 notebooks. So most of my collections are going to live in the white notebook. And then my months are going to switch. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And that way I get my fill for both a white notebook and a black notebook. And the Neapolitan does not work for me in terms of my my regular bullet journal, because I can't switch between the colors. When I was doing it in my business notebook, it was fine because I was like just primarily using stickers, but I can't do that. Mentally, I don't think I can do that. So I'm going to switch back and forth between this white notebook and this black notebook, and then have a lot of the collection, since this is a thicker notebook with 192 pages, in here. And then just keep my months, my every other month, in this wand black notebook. So that's my plan for 2023, which I'm really excited about. So that is my general goal check-in. And looking at this, I want to try to figure out a way to do goals differently. I've been struggling with goal setting, like I said. It's just been it's been difficult. I've had a difficult time because of the changes in my work life, because I was doing that giant digital release, and now I feel like basically in November things will start to roll back once I am done with Black Friday, which Black Friday is coming early this year yet again. I am actually going to be doing it the last Friday of October. And I'm doing that for a couple reasons. The main one being getting things to you quicker, because a lot of my Black Friday things have to deal with the setup in 2023. And I think y'all might want that to be able to set up before 2023 starts. And two, just to give me basically the month of November to get everything shipped out. And then December, I'm going away. I want to take time off. I'm so stressed and I want to take time off. So that's a general idea. So that was my goals check-in. That is my plan for 2023. And that is the information for Black Friday. So I'm extremely excited about everything. But I am also extremely excited to take a break. And if you are watching this the day that I release this, there is also new releases. I have a fall cheetah kit that is getting released. And then I have a Monster Mash kit getting released. And it is 25% off through Monday. So there's all the things in one video. Sorry, this is a little bit hectic, but honestly, that is how my brain is working right now. It's a little bit hectic. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.